Hi, welcome to Innovative Impression. My name is Siddhant Jhawar. Don't trust your memory. It will always fail you. You often get amazing ideas which can take you to places, but when you need those ideas, it's gone. You can't remember it. Write those ideas in a journal to secure it because you cannot trust your mind to remember it for you. Keep a journal handy with you because great ideas can come anytime. Write those ideas because you will be needing those ideas to be acted upon. Remember this, ideas plus massive action equals to success. To be successful, you need to collect as many ideas you can. Those amazing ideas can relate to your relationship, your success, your health, your fitness, and anything you feel like, and act upon it. All you need to do is collect those ideas in a journal so that it's there when you need it. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Innovative Impression and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I come up with the next video.